Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious egusi soup you can ever think of. So these are the ingredients I use: ponmo, melon seed, onions, bell pepper. So for the melon, we're going to roast it on a hot pan like this for like 5-10 minutes until it's golden brown like this color. Please don't allow it get burnt. So this is how it's going to look and it's ready to grind. Meanwhile, allow it to be cool, to get cool down. So I'm going to blend the bell pepper, rodo, onions, so that you can use it for the soup. So I'm going to cut the bell peppers like that so that it won't spoil my blender. Blend as smooth as possible for this recipe. Now the melon is cool. The next thing, I'm going to transfer it to the miller and grind it smooth like this is how it should look when it's grinded. So in a pot, I'm going to add the palm oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add iru, which is locust beans, for the aroma. Then I'm going to add onions and allow it to saute for like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the blended pepper and onion mix. So once that one is added, I'm just going to give it a quick stir and allow it to dry down and fry very well for some minutes. So this is how it's going to look. You can see the liquids, it's dry. I'm going on to add seasoning cube, salt, crayfish powder, stir very well, and then add the grinded melon seed. So once I add it like this, you don't have to cook for so long again. Just add in your meat stock, fish, ponmo, whatever protein you want to use. This is the time to taste for salt. If the season is not okay, if you want to add extra pepper or salt, this is the time. Right now the food is almost ready. At this stage, if you think your soup is too thick, you can go on to add a little bit of water to it. Almost ready. And guys, the taste is delicious, the taste is amazing, the aroma, oh my god. So I added scent leaf and ugu leaves, but whatever vegetable of your choice, you can add a little bit of bitter leaf if you want, but I don't want it. So we're ready, it's ready. And guys, I had it with some more. You can use whatever swallow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.